always believe that Monisha took the good decision only. We are all enjoyed and family also very happy. One more thing, and she has to take care about all parents and their uncle and auntie. They have to take care. So talking to Pugal, we have a lot of confidence, and that definitely he will take care our daughter throughout life with the same. I got the confidence after seeing.
I think if we had got an arranged marriage, I would not have found a better son-in-law more than Pugal. Sambar and biryani. Actually, Monisha is from Hyderabad, so she likes the Hyderabadi biryani a lot. And when she went to US, she started eating the sambar and liking the sambar more than biryani. Means she started liking more Pugal, left of the Hyderabadi thing, the parents and everything. So she got attached to them. I think that both the things mixed, sambar and biryani. Happyగా ఉండాలంతే. Blessings from us.
Blessings. The same, I bless both couple.
Pugal Whale, right from his childhood, is a chubby baby loved by everyone. Anybody seeing the kid will talk to the boy, and they will enjoy his way of talking, moving. And better off, Monisha is also a girl of that nature. They have almost the same characters, and they love each other. And after finding that they can lead a peaceful, happy, married life, I pray the Almighty to give a long life and an happy married life.
So I am the cousin of the bride, the first cousin, and we technically grew up together. And I will officially declare myself as the best friend of the groom, because I literally grew up with him in ASU for my masters, and these two were like family for me outside of India, and they were literally everything to me over there. And that's when he became my best friend, and she was more to me than my very own sister. So I would say, I know you're married right now, but I know you're going to have kids of your own, but I'm still your first kid. Do not forget that. And please have a happy married life, and I wish you all the happiness in the world.
Hi everyone, this is the bride's brother Anish. Anyways, I wanted to congratulate Pugal and Moni for their happy wedding apparently. And my favorite memory with them was when we met in Pondicherry. All three of us, we went to Rock Beach, and we took loads of clothes and pictures, and the idli and sambar that we had that night. And yeah, that was the most important memory, because we met 2 or 3 times, that's it. And my advice to them is that Pugal is the only guy who can always tolerate Moni and just never lose your temper and all. You must know better than me. And anyways, congratulations guys, have a happy life.
So we know her from how many years? It's been
19.
Yeah, 19 years since we know more.
And she's been the same. I don't find any change in her, and I can't believe she's getting married. She's like a kid to us.
You see a kid in her even when she danced today.
I know.
You see a kid in her.
Exactly.
Right?
I think we'll
One
all agree.
hyper.
I think we'll all agree when we say one word that defines Mo is crazy.
True, drama queen, total drama queen she is.
If you saw, that's why we even danced on Drama Queen today. She's such drama queen.
Total fun girl, totally fun girl.
I have never seen her this happy in my life, and I wish them just to be together and to stay in love all the time, like how they've been till now.
Complete lifetime of happiness, so much of love, endless love to them.
Yeah, we wish them the best of luck for the future.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good luck, Mom. We love you.
I mean, it's
All
gonna be
the
a
best, Vale.
Yeah. All the best to Mel.
Good luck.
Moni has been there in my life for like 4 years now. Since it's like just moving in, I feel like this is just moving in together with Moni. So I don't think that will be a big change because I know Moni already as a good friend and past 1 year as what to expect as a life partner.
சேலையோட கட்டி போட்டேன் எட்டின் இன்னொரு பார்வை வெக்கத்தோட தந்த போவேன் உன்னை கொஞ்சுவேன் கொஞ்சம் கிச்சுவேன் உன்னை மிஞ்சுவேன் உயிர் உன்னோட வாசத்தை கேக்குதடி தினம் உன்னோட பேசவே எங்குதடி மனம் கூட இனிமேலும்
Actually, it was a comedy when I first talked to her dad. Her dad was more concerned how Moni's attitude might impact me and how I will adjust with that rather than whether I will be okay with the customs and everything. When he first talked to me, he was like, Moni is angry, Moni is rude, she'll get easily tempered kind of a person. So you should be patient with her, those kind of stuff. It was actually kind of sweet that he was being so much taking care of her, thinking about her a lot, whether her moods and everything will be okay with the other person. So that was actually really nice of him. I actually know Moni's mom when I was a friend in ASU itself. So it was like easy transition.
கண்ணுக்குள்ள நீ இருக்க எப்போதும் அங்க சிரிப்பேன் ஒன்ன மாறி என்ன விரும்ப யாரோ இல்லை இனியால்
I will always try my best to keep the smile in her, and I'll always try more and more to give surprises in her life. That would be the promise I'll probably make.
Okay, you got the most luckiest girl in the world. You got the best girl in the world. And no, honestly, you're like the best thing that has ever happened to me in my life. And every day, like, there's no day like without you. Like, you're something really special. Every day with you, like after I met you, it's been like a magical ride. Like every time I look at your eyes, I'm just smiling all the time. You just give me butterflies in my stomach. That's it.